Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to be solving this beautiful integration problem, and the question is to evaluate the integral of 9 cos x minus sin x divided by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx. Alright, so when you take a look at this question, what is the first thing that comes to mind? How, right? How are we going to go about this? Okay, so the best thing to do is to try to see if you can simplify the question, if you can simplify the problem. Alright, so taking a look at this, I can see 9, I can see 1 as the coefficient of sin x, I can see 4, I can see 5. So I'm going to rewrite this problem such that I have 4 and 5 in the numerator, so that it is possible for me to cut out something. Okay, so rewriting, I'm going to say this is equal to the integral of writing 9 cos x. I can write it as 4 cos x plus 5 cos x. That is absolutely correct. 4 plus x plus 5 plus x gives me 9 cos x. And then moving on to minus sin x, I can write that as plus 4 sin x, right, minus 5 sin x. That is absolutely correct. I'm going to get minus sin x. And then I have divided by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x, right, dx. That is with respect to x. Now I can divide, right, and so I can have this to be equal to the integral of 4. Firstly, let's rewrite it. Let's rewrite the numerator such that we have 4 sin x and 5 cos x. So I have 4 sin x, right, this one right here, and I have 5 cos x, right. So 4 sin x plus 5 cos x, and then I have 4 cos x minus 5 sin x, right, divided by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx. So I can write this to be equal to the integral of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x divided by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. That's this one right here, and then dx, right, plus the integral of this guy right here now, 4 cos x minus 5 sin x, right, divided by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Now we have simplified. This can cancel out, and we're left with the integral of 1 dx plus. Now, how do we integrate this guy? At this point, we have to remember that when we differentiate the denominator and the answer is the numerator, then the integral of this fraction is the ln of the denominator plus c. Alright, so taking a look at this fraction that we're integrating, we have our denominator to be what? 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Right, when we differentiate our denominator, we are going to get what? Differentiating 4 sin x gives us 4 cos x. Differentiating 5 cos x gives us minus 5 sin x, which is exactly what we have as our numerator. Therefore, we can conclude that the integral of this function is equal to ln of what? Our denominator, which is 4 sin x plus 5 cos x, right, plus c. And the integral of 1 definitely is equal to x. So we can conclude that the solution to this problem is x plus ln 4 sine x plus 5 cos x plus c. And that is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video.